My name is Craig, and I'm going to show you a clip from one of the races I went to of my buddy driving down in his blue Grand Torino. And I hope you like it. Get out of here.
1420 at 90 miles per hour for TCM. Now he started that fast with a 1-1-0 reaction time. Lord Goulet both TC at 16-18 at 84-62. We are still looking for volunteers to the water box. Somebody needs to give those guys a hand down there. Betsy, the House, and the Outlaws is coming up in just a few minutes. Great opportunity for you to stand right in the center of the track with the big bad Outlaws. And up to the second quarter time tower, you must be 16 years old, and we'll hook you up to get down to the start line. So please, don't mind. Much quicker, 11:85.
See, that guy took off fast. I don't think his reaction time is normal. Because that other guy